Dear students, very good morning to all. In this session, now we see exercise 1.1 first room. So the question is, determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetry, transitive or not. So we want to check these three basic relations. There are 5 subdivisions are there. So the first subdivision, a relation R in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 13, 14, defined as R is equal to the set of ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Now our first subdivision, so the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and going on up to 13, 14. So this is the set E, and the relation R is defined by the relation R. R is defined by R of x comma y is equal to, so R is equal to the set of ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. So the x and y value satisfy this condition, then x comma y belongs to the relation R. So now the condition can be rewritten as, so here 3x minus y equal to 0. So here minus y goes to the right side plus, so 3x is equal to y. So the condition become y equal to 3x. So using this condition, now we want to write the elements of R. So here first we put, so these are the x values as well as these are the y values. So now we put when x is equal to 1. Put when x is equal to 1. What about y value? So 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. Same when x is equal to 2. What about y value? So 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. 6 also in our set. When x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. When x is equal to 4, so y is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Suppose we take x is equal to 5. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 into 5, 15. But 15 is not in our set. Our set consisting of the elements from 1 to 14 only. So 15 is not in our set. So this is not possible. So these 4 possibilities only. So what about the elements? So 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 12. So 15 is not in our given set. So this is not possible. So therefore the elements of the relation R is equal to 1 comma 3, 2 comma 9, then 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 9, then 4 comma 12. So these are the elements of relation R. Now this relation is reflexive or not. We want to check reflexivity. So reflexive means equal pairs are there. So here equal pairs are there. So 1 comma 1 is there? No. So here 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore the relation R is not reflexive. Therefore the relation R is not reflexive. The next is symmetric. So symmetric means reverse pair also there. Here reverse pair is there. Here 1 comma 3 is there. But the reverse 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is not there. 3 comma 1 is not there. So here 1 comma 3 belongs to R. But 3 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Next one is transitive. Next one is transitive condition. So transitive condition, we need two elements. So the two elements are of the form A comma B, B comma C format. So we take two elements. So A comma B, B comma C format. So that is 1 comma 3, 3 comma 9. So 1 comma 3, 3 comma 9. So this is end with 3, this is start with 3. So these two elements are belongs to R. Now we merging the two ordered pairs. What about we get merging the two ordered pair, we get 1 comma 9. So 1 comma 9 is in the relation? No. So 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not transitive. Therefore the relation R is not transitive. The relation R is not transitive. So this is our first subdivision. So first subdivision is not reflexive, not symmetry, not transitive. Then next we move on to the second subdivision. So the second subdivision, R is equal to the set of ordered pair x comma y. Y is equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. So R is in the set n, natural numbers. On the natural numbers only we define the relation. So the relation is defined on natural numbers. So everyone you know the natural numbers. So the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and going on. These are the natural numbers. Okay. Now the relation is defined by, so R is equal to the set of ordered pair x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4. So these are the possible values of x. So x is less than 4. So what about the x value? So less than 4. So x value 1, then x value 2, x value 3. So these are the x value less than 4. Now the condition for y is equal to x plus 5. So now we substitute x value. So when x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1 plus 5, so 6. When x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 2 plus 5, so 7. When x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So x values are natural numbers, y value also natural numbers. So these values are defined on our given set. So therefore the elements of the relation R is equal to 1 comma 6. Next 2 comma 7. Next 3 comma 8. So these are the elements of the relation R. Now we want to check the relation is symmetric or not, reflexive or not, transitive or not. So first condition is reflexive. So we want to check the reflexive condition. So reflexive means equal pairs are there. Here equal pairs, is any equal pair? No. So for 1 there is no 1 comma 1. For x equal to 1 there is no 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Therefore, R is not reflexive. The next one is symmetry. Now the given relation is symmetric or not. So symmetric means reverse pair are there. Here the reverse pair 1, 6 is there, but 6, 1 does not there. So here 1, 6 belongs to R, but 6, 1 does not belongs to R. 1, 6 is there, but 6, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. So therefore the relation R is not symmetric. The next one is the condition transitive. So now we want to check the transitive condition. So for the transitive condition, we need two elements that are of the form A, B, B, C. Here, is there any two elements of the form? So the form is A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C. So this is end with 6. No elements start with 6. This is end with 7. No elements start with 7. This is end with 8. No elements start with 8. So there is no two different pair of the form A, B, B, C. There is no two different pair of the form A, B, B, C. So there are no two different pairs. One is A, B, another one is B, C belongs to R. There are no two different pairs belongs to R such that A, C does not belongs to R. So there are no two different pairs of this form. Therefore, R is transitive. There is no two different pair. There is no two different pair. Then R is transitive. So the given relation is not reflexive, not symmetry, but transitive. So this is our second subdivision. Now next one, third subdivision. Relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to the set of ordered pair x, y such that y is divisible by x. Now y is divisible by x. Y value is divisible by x. That is the relation defined. Now third subdivision. So the relation first to the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what about the relation is defined? So R is equal to the set of ordered pair x, y such that y is divisible by x. So everyone you listen carefully. So y is divisible by x. So y is, the condition is y is divisible by, y value is divisible by x. That means x is a divisor of y. So x is a divisor of y. X is a divisor of y. Okay. Now, so here we want to check the divisors. So now we want to check the divisors. So here, what are the divisors of number 1? So the divisors of divisors of 1 are. The divisors of 1 is 1. What is the divisor of 1? 1 only. Now divisors of 2. Divisors of 2 are 1, 2. The next divisors of 3. Divisors of number 3 are 1, 3. The next divisors of 4. Divisors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. The next divisors of 5 are 1 and 5. Next one, divisors of 6. So what are the divisors of 6? Now divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are the divisors. So here now first you write the element in the form x is a divisor. So first you write the divisor, next the number. Okay. So x is a divisor of y. 1 is the divisor of 1. 1 is the divisor of 2. 2 is the divisor of 2. 1 is the divisor of 3. 3 is the divisor of 3. So the relation R is written by. So these are the x value. These are the x values. These are the y values. So R is equal to the elements of R is equal to 1, 1. Next here 1, 2. Next 2, 2. Next 1, 3. 3, 3. Next 1, 4. 2, 4. Next 4, 4. Next here 1, 5. So 5, 5. The next 1, 6. 2, 6. 3, 6. The next 6, 6. 6, 6. So these are the elements of the relation. Now the relation is reflexive or not. First you check the condition reflexive. So when a relation is said to be reflexive, equal pairs. So here for all the elements of A, equal pairs are there. The elements of A are from 1 to 6. The elements of A are 1 to 6. For that elements, equal pairs are there. 1, 1 is there, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So equal pairs are there. So A, A belongs to R. For all A belongs to A. So therefore R is reflexive. Therefore the relation R is reflexive. The next condition is symmetry. Now the relation is symmetric or not. Symmetric means reverse pair also there. So here now you see 1, 2 is there, but 2, 1 not there. 1, 2 is there, but 2, 1 not there. So 1, 2 belongs to R. But 2, 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric. Therefore R is not symmetric. The next one transitive. Next one is transitive. So now we take two different pairs. So the first one end, then second one start with the same number. First one end with and the second one start with the same number. For example, so now we look at the elements. So here 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, we merge 1 comma 2 is there. Then 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5, now we merge, we get 1 comma 5 there. Then 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, merge, we get 1 comma 3. Then we check all the possibilities. Now we check all the possibilities. So 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3, merge, we get 1 comma 3. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, we merge. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, we merge, we get 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 is there. So for all the terms, so now we check. So all the elements satisfies the condition. All the elements satisfies the condition. So therefore this relation is transitive. So here A1 comma A2 belongs to R. A2 comma A3 belongs to R. That implies A1 comma A3 also belongs to R. So for all the elements we check. So all the elements satisfy this condition. Therefore the relation R is transitive. Therefore the relation R is transitive. R is transitive. So this is our third question.